Hi, my name is Peart. I'm the Supervisor of Operations Forestry for the City of Markham, and we're back again today to talk about Lymantria dispar, LDD for short, and otherwise known as gypsy moth. As is the case with much of southern Ontario, the City of Markham is showing outbreak population levels of this invasive pest again this year. LDD caterpillars feed on the leaves of very large number of tree species and can completely defoliate small and large trees on entire streets, neighborhoods, and regions. But the good news is, there's an easy and affordable way for you to protect the trees in your neighborhood. Today, we're going to show you how to install a burlap banding trap. We're going to start with a piece of burlap. You can purchase this at your local garden center, and it must be long enough to reach all the way around the trunk of the tree. This piece is about 4 feet wide. We're going to wrap it around, hold itself in place, and next we're going to take a piece of string or twine, and we're going to wrap it around the trunk of the tree, just in the middle of the burlap, and we're going to tie it snugly. And finally, we're going to take the top half of the burlap and we're going to fold it down, working it all the way around. And we're going to pull it right down over top of the bottom half. What we've essentially done here is to create an ideal shelter for LDD caterpillars to get out of the sun and protect themselves from birds. And this is when we're going to come along and remove them. We'll see you back here tomorrow to see how many caterpillars we were able to trap. We're back again today to check our burlap banding trap to reduce those LDD caterpillar populations and protect our trees. Now, it's always important to remember to wear gloves while you're doing this, as many people will get very irritated skin from handling these caterpillars. And as you can see, there are a couple caterpillars on the outside of our trap. But when we look inside the burlap, we can see a number of caterpillars have made their way inside just as we had hoped. And the next step is to manually remove the caterpillars, and I'm simply going to use my gloved hand. It's important to remember to collect them into some kind of container, because if you don't and you just throw them on the ground, they'll just climb right back up the tree again. Once you've collected all the caterpillars, it's time to put them in a pail of soapy water for 48 hours before disposing of them. Each one of these caterpillars can eat up to 1 square meter of leaf area, so every one you catch using this safe and easy method is going to have a big impact. For more information on LDD caterpillars in Markham and to view our video on egg mass removal for this coming fall and winter, please visit us at www.markham.ca/trees. Thanks again for joining us today.